Hello and welcome to D-Class TV. We're now in the year 2023 on a freezing cold day, and we have here a very special car, a Porsche GT3 belonging to no other than Sam of Seen Through Glass, who's entrusted us with this literally, and I mean literally, not even registered, his brand new Porsche. At the time of this recording, Sam hasn't even seen his brand new Porsche GT3 himself. He came to us straight from the dealership to have the work carried out to the interior. The seat inserts, the door card inserts trimmed into a black and white Pasha. Let me take you through now with the video and see how he carried out this work. So here we have it. We showcase our work of Sam's car. The door insert panels, the seat insert panels. We've removed all the black Alcantara and changed it to this black and white Pasha at Sam's request. It's quite a bold move to take a brand new car and strip it apart, but we did it. We did it how Sam wanted. I think he's going to be super pleased with the results. The offset of the black and white Pasha against the original factory silver stitching is a really neat complementation to the interior and makes it a lot nicer and brighter in here.
Once again, the legends at D-Class have hit it out of the park. They've actually done such a good job with my car. I'm worried people are going to think that Porsche did those seats, but they didn't. It was D-Class. So yes, as I say, thanks to them. Make sure to follow their YouTube, their Instagram, all of their socials. I'm sure I'm going to be back here at some point because, well, this work is to die for. See you later.